Okay, so we're parked down here somewhere, and then we're gonna drive up this road all the way to the other end of the lot. And right here it looks like there may be some survey stakes, which we'd probably want to get surveyed if we go any further. But we'll go ahead and drive this lot all the way. So this here's the map again, and we're left of that yellow dot is where I think this comes to. So there's the land. Off in the distance you can kind of get some good mountain views. I would suggest though that if we go any further in this lot that we get a survey just to be for sure where all the lines are.